Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your billing address in CIBC Online Banking. First, you need to go ahead and log into your CIBC Online Banking account. I'm using the browser version, so you can also use the mobile app if you want. Once you're logged in, you need to go ahead and find and click on the customer service option. Go ahead and tap on update your contact information, and there you will see the option of billing address as well. Go ahead and update your billing address from the page. Follow the on-screen instruction to do it. And after making the changes, confirm your new address. You might be asked to verify the change with your password. And once confirmed, you have successfully changed your billing address in CIBC Online. If you prefer not to do this online or through the app, you can contact the CIBC customer care for assistance. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.